Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Salesforce to Jira in 2024. So integrating Salesforce with Jira allows you to streamline projects management and enhance collaborations between your sales and development teams. So in this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to set up this integration. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you will need, of course, an active Salesforce account and the Jira account. So to do so, go, of course, and open whatever browser you have. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section. Basically, starts by going to salesforce.com, open a new tab, and then go to Jira as well. Click on the first link, as you can see, and make sure to log in into both accounts. If you have a language problem here, you can simply just hover this icon, go to all other countries English, or choose your exact country if you want, like your native maybe I don't know language there, or you can choose whatever language you want. For me, I'll just go and do all other countries, which is English here. Make sure to log in into your accounts. Hover login, click on login. If you don't have an account, click on try for free, as you can see, and create an account. It should be very easy. As you can see, you'll get 30 days free trial, and no obligation, no payments, and no credit card required. So you don't have to worry about anything. You'll have to go again and log in for Jira. Of course, if you have an account in it. If you don't, just go and create an account. You can continue, as you can see, with Slack, Google, Apple, Microsoft, if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account like this one. So this, you'll have to fill up your information manually. This, you can simply choose one of the accounts that you already have and connect into it right away. So once you're connected into your both accounts, it's time, of course, to start integrating it with it. You will have, of course, to choose an integration method because there is no direct integration. So for this specific video, I'll use a tool called Zapier, which is a popular integration platform to set up the connection. So to do so here, I'll just go and open a new tab. Basically, just go to zapier.com. And basically, if it's your first time, you'll be finding yourself in this page. You can click on login here at the top right corner to log in into your account. You can use Google, Facebook, or Apple, Microsoft to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to click on sign up, and you can use Google, so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. Of course, you'll get a free 14 days free trial of all the premium app and features. Of course, there's a free plan, so you don't have to worry about anything. You get all the free features for free forever. But there's some premium apps that will require some payments, but you will get 14 days of that for free. So you can sign up with Google or whatever suits you. Once you sign in, you'll find yourself here. Once you are here, basically, you can simply go to this list panel, apps. Once you click on apps, of course, you'll need to connect your both Jira and also your Salesforce. So go here, search apps. Go and look for Salesforce as an example. You'll find this right here. Click on connect, and all you need to do here is simply, most of people should choose default production. So here, just go and click on yes, continue to Salesforce, and then you'll have to log in into your account. If you're already logged in, you'll not find this in here. Once you're done, it should be connected. Now you'll have to look for Jira. Just go and look for Jira as an example. So here, depending on whatever you want, you'll have to connect it like Jira Software Cloud, Service Management, Software Server, out of office instances, or Service Management Alerts. Whatever you want, one of them will whatever suits you here, you can simply just connect it. Of course, let's say example, we'll connect Jira Software Cloud right away and click on connection here. So here, as you can see, what version of Jira you're using. Example, I'm using Cloud. And here you'll have to enter your Jira Cloud site. Where you'll find this, as you can see, if you use multiple Jira Cloud sites, you'll have to enter the site name that you want to connect. Note this must be selected as authorized for set option during Jira login example. So you'll have to come here and simply just go and get that. And basically, once you get that, you'll have to go and enter it here. Once you enter it, click on yes, continue, and it should be again logged in into your Zapier. Now, once both Jira and Salesforce are connected, all you need to do, go to this list panel, click on create zaps, of course, and here we'll need to start creating the zap that will connect Jira with Salesforce. You can do it manually, basically, to choose the trigger and the events of the trigger, then the action events of the action, or you can use it using this, or do it using this AI tool, Copilot, of course, on beta. Here, you can simply, as you can see, like an example here. When I add a reaction to Slack, create a card on Trello. You can simply do, I don't know what specifically you want to do, but just type whatever you want. For me, I don't have something in my, I don't have any idea at the moment, so I'll just go here and type connect, as example, Jira to Salesforce. As simple as that, because I don't have like specific thing that I want to do. So once I do so, as you can see, I can simply add step by step, or I can add all the steps by its own. Of course, I can add like a step in between if I want to. Of course, I'll just go and delete that. Yeah, really delete it. And yeah, so here, once you add those things, it's time to fix any problem that's appear. First of all, of course, if you click on it, here they'll ask me. So the first problem is to connect our account. Of course, you can click on sign in to an account. For you, if you already did it, you'll not find this problem. You'll just choose, depending on the event that you choose in here, the trigger will change in here. So as you can see, the event of this trigger could be a new comment. If you receive, as an example, new comment, a new issue, update comment, or updated issue. If you receive that, something will happen in the action. And the action, the same, you can choose the event that will happen once this trigger is triggered. As an example, so what could be the action? Maybe, as an example, add a contact to campaign, add a file record, add lead to campaign. As you can see, a lot of things in here that you can choose. If you didn't find what you want, you can even create an action. If you want to, click on here and simply, as you can see, so okay, it seems what Salesforce is not like available because apps not supported. Sorry, custom actions are available for this app right now. You can go back or request like from support. You can request this from support, and when you add it, they'll come back to you. But it seems like it's not possible. Oh, okay, I understand why. Because this comes to me. Why? Because like it's a premium app. And as I said, premium apps will require like to have a plan. So make sure to have a plan, then click on create action. When you click on create action, of course, make sure you're logged in, choose the action depending on the event that you choose, test this out. Once you test both of them, you'll find the check option on both, and then you'll be able to publish it. Once you publish it, you'll be able to automate this stuff between the two of them, and you should be good to go. You connect it and automate some stuff. You can do multiple like connections and automation stuff using Zapier. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.